Good morning, traders. So how do we trade the DAX this fine morning using the Bill-Williams theory? Now, I'm just starting on the daily just to highlight a few things. And the first thing is we still have not broken the 200 daily EMA. Okay. What has happened, though, is we are starting to cross over on the Bill-Williams here, which is always a good sign. Okay. Well, for people that are long anyway. And you can see on the 4-hour that the trend is up and we are holding this 200 EMA. Okay. So basically what that means to me anyway is that we have a potential flag here. I'm not taking this tail, I'm taking the next one. So I'm taking this tail here and this tail. Okay. And what I'm looking for is a break above this 12580 is probably 12660. So 12600 is the area I'm looking to break. And if you look to the left, you can see there's a lot of congestion here. Okay, so this is kind of the area that I'm looking for, and I'm looking for a continuation of this up move. So this up move here, we've consolidated. Now I need to see a break above here for a continuation move. And that continuation move would kind of be like that. And I'll put a level there, and if we look to the left, you'll see we've got another area of resistance or support here. Okay, so that's kind of what I'm looking for. So let's just get down to the 30 minutes. And very similar to the Aussie, we have a range formed here. So get rid of that. So this is the previous high, but this is a range. Okay, so we spiked up and then we just came into a range. So what I'm looking for here is a break of this range. So I'm looking for a break of 12570, or alternatively a break below, and it would be below the low of yesterday, which would be here, of 124.9. Let's call it 124.90. Okay, so that's kind of the scenario that I'm looking for at the moment, is either a break up or a breakdown. My bias is to the upside because we have come back and we've tested this breakout here, this tail, and you can see how we formed a pinball of that, and that is a wise man number one there. Okay, so you've got a fairly significant pin bar and price is heading down, but the alligator is kind of also heading slightly down, but there's deviation. So there's the price line, and from the same point, where is so from the same point, where is the alligator? The alligator is over there. So you can see the deviation here. Okay, so that's always indication of a turn. So I'm pretty much, my bias is to the upside at the moment. So we'll have to see if we break through this level or not. Okay, so that's kind of what I'm looking to play today. I really am looking for either a little consolidation or even more of a pullback, and then consolidation, and then a move to the upside. So that's the two scenarios I'm looking for, either a proper break, and that break needs to be exact. So it's 12572. We break above that, then there's a good chance we're going to continue moving to the upside. And if we break to the downside, I'm really not interested in the short, to be honest with you. So if we do come to the downside, I'll be looking for another entry long. And you can see on the 12-minute, here was your entry. We rallied all the way down, and then it's a double pin bar off the 200 moving average. And the fact that the 200 moving average is pointing up as well is also indicating to me that we have a potential stronger move to the upside. Okay, so that's my take on this at the moment. It's going to be pure price action. So it's either a nice solid break above 12570, which will get me long, or I'm looking for a dip to get in and get long again. So if we do something similar like this, gap up and then move to the downside, wait for the signal of the 12 minutes and then get in for the trade. Okay, now I don't think this is much of a trade, 60 points, but you've got to take what gets given to you. Okay, So that's my take. I hope it helps. And as I say, watch price action very carefully, because I have a feeling we are either going to open flat, and we are sitting at 12,540 at the moment. Okay, so we are already gapping down. Okay, so what I'm looking for is a retest of any of these tails. So just look to the left on the 12 or the 30 minute, find these tails, and what you're looking for is to look for price action to give you some bullish action on these tails, either at the bottom here or over here. Okay, and then look for a long, and you're going to need to take profit at the top of this range. Okay, don't try assume it's going to break. 80% of breakouts fail. Anyway, guys, that's my take on this at the moment. Still looking for longs, just looking for a better entry down here. Hope it helps. Keep those stops tight. Enjoy your day, and I'll catch up with you later. Cheers, man.